Hello everyone, my name is Mario So and I'm here... Wait, where's my light? Much better. Hello everyone, my name is Mario So and I'm here to review the Yongnuo 360 Mark II, aka lightsaber. So I've had this light for about a year now and I really like it. The price is great. It's only about 179 Canadian dollars. In US, that would be about 124.99 US dollars. There are many features in this light that I really love. Other than, doubling it up as a lightsaber, it has a built-in battery, which Yongnuo says that charges up to 80% of its full capacity in only about 80 minutes. It comes with a DC power supply, which you can plug into your light to keep it running if you were on a longer shoot and battery was not enough. Like that. At full charge, this would run for about 2 hours of continuous use. If you wanted to use its RGB function, Yongnuo claims it would run for about 4 hours of continuous use, which is really good. The CRI on this light is actually very good as well. Yongnuo claims it's about 95 or more. This is a variable temperature lighting from 3200 to 5500 Kelvin, which is really good if you wanted to match the light to your scene. It comes with an LED display right here, very handy, where you can monitor the battery level. Right now, mine's at P6. P9 is the highest value setting, and P1 would be the lowest, at which time you would need to start to charge the light. You can adjust the color temperature, this button here, where it says 3200K and 5500K. Right now, I'm adjusting it to make it more like natural light. And if I press it again, then I'll adjust the warm tones. And fine and coarse is just how smoothly or how quickly you want the value to go from its lowest setting to its highest setting. As you can see, this light is really bright. To a setting of 99. There you go, really, really bright. And if I were to set it a little lower to say 49, still really bright. Another really cool feature about this light is the RGB capability. To toggle the RGB settings, all you need to do is press the RGB button. Now I have it set to green, the value is set at 0, and as I turn it up, you can see the green right here. Let's try the blue. At 99 power output, the blue right here. Turning up the blue. As you can see, it's really cool. You could probably use it for many applications, for funky interviews, for YouTube or even music videos. And the last one is the red. So you can adjust also the RGB values individually for the reds, the greens, and the blues if you wanted to create specific hues. For example, right now I have the red setting at 99. If I wanted to create, a magenta or a purple, I'll keep the red there and then go to perhaps the blue and start turning the blue up. And right away you can see that it's become a little bit magenta, purple-ish color. This light also comes with a 3/8 thread on the bottom of it for you to screw into either a tripod plate if you wanted to use a tripod with it, or a light stand that comes with a 3/8 screw. So this is what the light looked like at a shoot that I did recently. We lit up the talent and a gym, and we had this off to the side as a key light. There's many creative uses that you can find for this light. Right now I can see that I'm lighting my background in blue with the Yongnuo 216, which I will review at a later video, how that spotlight has been so useful to me, especially at wedding shoots, at receptions and dance floors that have been dimly lit. So for example, if I wanted to add some sort of color to my background, I could use this light. Since I already have the blue at the back, maybe I'll turn the red right here and I'll place it maybe somewhere. I'll place it somewhere right here. And right away you see how it adds just so much more drama and color to your scene. You could also lay it facing down, or if you wanted to tape it to something, maybe a table right here, so that it faces down, or maybe at the back where my kitchen counter is. And as you can see, I placed it at the back in my kitchen counter, just resting on top of my kitchen counter, and you can see how it adds a little bit more of color to my background scene if that is a look that you wanted to go for. There's definitely a lot of creative opportunity with this light just because of the warm and cold temperature setting as well as the RGB setting. There's also an app that comes with this light that you can download from either the App Store or from Google Play Store. It's called the YN360, and for some reason it has the image of another LED light, which is not really the YN360 light for some reason. But anyway, that's what the app looks like. Once you open the app, it'll give you a list of Bluetooth devices. You look for the Yongnuo LED, you tap to pair it. There'll be some words in Chinese, which is just the way the app is set up. And I still can't figure out how to change it to English, but the app is, once you play along with it for a little bit, you'll be able to get the hang of it. So this is the main screen that you see right here, and it has a bunch of different channels, which I assume is to pair to different 360 lights at a time. So I'm using channel number 1. When you click on the arrow to go to the next page, it'll show you a list of devices that are connected. In this case, since I only have the one light connected, and therefore I would only work on channel number 1. And I can adjust right away the intensity of the 5500 Kelvin light output. I can scroll it up or down. I can adjust the intensity of the 3200 Kelvin light output. And my favorite part of this app is probably the fact that you can select any color hue just by tapping in the hue circle. So if I wanted to go for a red, for example, I'll just tap it instead of having to manually adjust each RGB setting on the light itself. If I wanted to go for a green or a magenta or a purple. So there you have it, guys. This is how we use the Yongnuo 360 app, which is not the best app of the world, but it does its job and it comes in really handy. So there you go, guys. This is my review of the Yongnuo 360 version 2, a really colorful and cool light that you'll find useful for many situations. And most importantly, it doesn't break the bank. So if you're interested in picking up one of these, I'll have some links in the description below, so feel free to check them out. And let us know in the comments below if you have this light already and you've been using it. What are your favorite features of it? Thanks for watching, guys. If you really like this video, please subscribe. Your support will really help me to continue to make videos like this for you. Until next time.